After you log in with your school, classroom, or personal account, you'll see the Creative Cloud Express homepage. You can always return here by clicking this icon in the top left. To get started, select a template best suited for web pages, such as a presentation or a learning journal. Start by adding a title and a subtitle. Click the plus button to add a cover photo by uploading your own image, or select Find Free Photos to search through a built-in library of royalty-free images. Scroll down to start creating your web page by adding and customizing text, images, and more. You can add video content from sites like YouTube or Vimeo, or import your own from another project. Decide the best sharing option for you and your classroom. You can share via a public link, print or save your work as a PDF, send it directly to Google Classroom, Google Drive, or Microsoft Teams, or collaborate with another creator.